Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Wilksy back again with a brand new video. This time I'm going to be a special extravaganza. If you're wondering what this food is. But first, I have a companion on my right hand side. You alright, mate? So, without further ado, I'd like to introduce my painting, absolutely beautiful, my wife.
Hi guys. So today we're going to be doing a mukbang. Okay, he didn't mention, so my name's Nicole, but call me Nick. So we're going to be doing a mukbang, which is basically where you eat a large amount of food, either on your own or with a partner, on camera, and you just interact with each other, socialise, whatever the case may be. So you guys can watch or see and talk a lot of rubbish basically. There's vegetable spring rolls, chicken balls, chicken wings, some prawn toast, I cannot wait to dig into, some plain chow mein and some chips, and forgot then the salt and pepper chicken with Chinese curry sauce and Chinese barbecue sauce. So I can't wait to try that. Love Chinese barbecue sauce, completely different to just the normal regular schmegular barbecue sauce. So shall we
dig in, man, dig in.
Yeah. If you do hear any tip-tapping, is it tip-tapping? Tip-toeing.
In my Jordans, trying to get back.
It's our dog Ziggy, little Jack Russell, pain in the arse. But yeah, if you hear any like someone walking around, it's our dog.
But he's our pain in the ass, isn't he?
Oh, yes, he is. Right. I actually haven't tried their prawn toast. So let's go.
What are you saying? Nah, she's doing it the wrong way, yeah. The best thing is, yeah.
True sauce.
Curry sauce right here. Get some good old dippage action.
So, usually in the mukbang, you usually have story time or get to know us or whatever the case may be. We are literally just winging it. This is my first YouTube video, not his. He loves the attention. So,
Look, I'll eat all this.
Oh, no.
I swear now, I'm just munching through. I will murk. I could
munch away, I'm not
I could
eating
make
it.
this whole box, you know.
I know.
Like, back up.
Honey, you might like him. Go on a date.
Bruh.
Okay. To be fair, so I went to one of the football games to see who my friend was talking about, just so that I could see. Saw this guy, thought, yeah, it's alright. Did you notice me?
You thought it was alright?
Yeah, alright.
Dead blood.
He's the captain of the football team. Is that captain? Is
No.
Are they called captains?
Manager?
Manager, captain.
He was the manager at the time. No.
Alright.
Come on, you devour wings more than me, mate. So yeah.
No, I'm actually eating all the meat on the wings because I'm not trying to have
I know, man. Oh.
family and friends run you about not leaving lots of meat on there.
Chips. People, leave in the comments here. How do you eat your wings? Is there a specific way? Do you eat them, or is it just munch off the whole bone, the gristle? I can't take the gristle.
Is
You
it
eat
even
gristle?
gristle even in wings?
No, like this. See this bit on the bottom here.
I don't know. I didn't have the meat.
That bit there. I know some people. Yeah, some
they
people
suck that.
yum that. Like, ding, just chuck it. They chuck it back in the fry. You know, to have it again.
In the comments, which I think will be good, would be leave. Oh my gosh, okay, start again.
Bruh.
Leave in the comments things that you think we should and shouldn't do in videos. What you'd like us to see. What you'd like us to do. What you'd want to see us do, basically. Okay, right. What haven't I tried yet? Okay, right. Chicken ball.
Chicken bowl. Should we try them together?
Barbecue.
I've got the curry sauce here. Cheers, mate.
Not really a curry sauce fan. I'm not gonna lie. Sorry. So okay, cheers.
Mate.
I like sweet sauces. Okay.
How do you eat?
Crunchiness.
How do you eat your balls? 3, 2. FYI, guys. this box. I want to try and guess in the comment section how much this cost. Obviously in pounds in the UK.
Oh yeah, forgot to mention they do the Chinese all this food in a pizza box, which I think is an amazing idea. I have a thing about thick pieces of chicken. I'm not really a fan, so I'm just going to eat the batter. I'm really feeling the wings, you know.
I bought no kitchen roll. Absolutely peak.
I think you're going to have to go get some, mate. I'm not even going to lie. I saw Ben, but I was just like, yeah, he's a nice looking guy, but I'm not really feeling it.
Chips.
I'm just being honest. Yeah, we've got the same mutual friends, so we were kind of all hanging around together at the reception of the wedding. And then
You were gassed as well.
I drank too much.
You were gassed off
A
your
lot of
head.
my family members was there, so I had to hold down the drunkenness. And then we ended up taking a picture together, and still to this day, I do not remember taking the picture.
I do. I've still got it somewhere on my iPhone 5.
iPhone 5.
Remember? Can you remember what I was wearing? On that day?
Some dead blazer and some dead shirt
That's
and a
good.
dead haircut. But I still thought you was good looking, but at the time, when we look back now,
Yeah, I was.
smacked, because you've always been good looking. It's just that your style's been just a bit off.
Mummified.
And yeah, because it's not.
I basically, like, my mum shot me basically.
Yeah.
And you know when you go from that 14, 15 year old life to like next in everything. Well,
Oh, Next.
for me it was. You hated next, didn't you?
I mean, I love Primark. I'm not even ashamed to say it. I love doing the Primark haul. I mean, I don't record myself doing it, but I'll go in there and spend a couple hundred and feel no type of way.
Yeah, you are addicted to shopping.
Yeah.
I have to put a cap
Yeah.
on this one because now I try to come back and be like,
Babe, I've spent.
I've spent. I'm like, why have you done this? Why?
But as well, I'd also like to say, coming way off topic and story time got interrupted again.
Oh, everyone.
Shout out to Tay and Lou. So they're the couple. So
Yeah.
if you search them on YouTube, they do so many mukbangs. But I found them on YouTube. Got addicted to watching them eat food. I was like, Ben, you need to watch this couple that I found online.
Yeah.
Videos strapped in one go.
Bruh, chip now.
So they're the couple that inspired us.
You know what? Maybe one day we can do a collab. Who knows?
I might watch this and think this is absolute crap.
Wait.
And then that's what I've got to deal with. So I'm
Blow it away.
conversation.
Blow it away. Blow it away. Oh.
Oh,
Like
there
that.
we go.
Oh, finally.
So it may look nice, but I mean it actually doesn't. But yeah, it's a bit overdone. It's a bit tough, that's what I would say. Tough, like a rock.
Bruh.
Can I have it?
See, rock, paper, scissors.
You mean I can't have it? I thought you was going to be a gentleman and let me have it.
Rock, paper, scissors. Ready?
Just have it.
Ready? No, come on. Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Thanks. Love ya. Ben was more sticking to the rules, put it that way.
Yeah.
When I first met him.
More of the guy.
If any of you guys was to recommend any challenges, he will be up.
So yeah guys, until the next time, this is Ben and Nick, and we'll see you in a bit.